All right, I am here with Justin. His family has been super awesome. They've let us borrow their lift. We're gonna replace the stock exhaust on the Audi S5 with an aftermarket kit. This is an Armytrix exhaust kit made specifically for the S5 2012 era. And yeah, that's all it right there. We're gonna tear it all down and we're gonna raise this thing up, swap everything out. Should be at the most a 2-part series. We've got an exhaust clip before, we're gonna do one after. Obviously with the valves open and closed, a lot of cool things involved with this particular kit here. That's why I wanted Armytrix in the first place. So without further ado, let's get to swapping. All right, this is the stock exhaust kit. As you can see, everything is welded. There are no bolts anywhere, so it just was one big piece that we just took out. We're gonna put the new kit in place of the old one. Justin, you're now an official unboxer on Science Studio. I'll tell you what's easy, is trying not to scratch this metal.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I did.
I'm not gonna lie, I did it on one part up there, just a little tiny bit.
All right, so that is that's the layout right there. So mufflers, assuming that's the resonator, and that's it. We're gonna raise it up, start from the front, work our way to the back. Then right there. One last scroll through here underneath. Everything looks ugly and old except for the exhaust kit now. Now we gotta lower her and wire in the vacuum hoses that open and close the valves and the mufflers. Then you get little key fobs here for opening and closing the valves. I'll put this somewhere on the car because I'm a fanboy. And then let's run a cold start. See if it sounds any different.
All right.